If you're a parent, expecting a baby, or even just thinking about having kids one day, chances are you've wondered this. What actually makes children smart? Is it genetics? Is it early learning? Is it doing everything right from day one? What if I told you that one of the strongest predictors of a child's cognitive and emotional intelligence isn't what parents teach, but how calm they are while parenting? Today, we're talking about why calm parents raise smarter children, what the research says, and how you can apply this without being a perfect parent. Before we go any further, make sure you stick around, because near the end, I'll share practical ways to build calm into your parenting, even on the hard days. Let's start with something uncomfortable but important. Stress. Parenting is stressful. That's normal. But research shows that chronic parental stress doesn't stay with the parent, it spills into the child's development. A large meta-analysis published in Clinical Psychology Review found that higher levels of parental stress were linked to more emotional and behavioral problems in children. And those problems don't exist in isolation. They directly interfere with learning, attention, memory, and problem solving. In other words, when stress is high, intelligence struggles to grow. Here's why this matters biologically. When parents are frequently overwhelmed, the household environment becomes unpredictable. Children's brains are incredibly sensitive to this. Instead of focusing on exploration and learning, their brains shift into safety mode. That means energy is spent monitoring emotional signals rather than building cognitive skills. Another study published in Developmental Psychology found that parental stress reduces something called parent-child neural synchrony during shared activities. Neural synchrony is when a parent and child's brains literally sync up during interaction. This synchrony supports emotional regulation, communication, and learning. When parents are calm and present, learning becomes more efficient because the child's brain is aligned with the adult guiding them. This is also how emotional intelligence develops. Children don't learn emotional regulation by being told to calm down. They learn it by watching how adults handle stress. When a parent pauses, breathes, and responds instead of reacting, the child's brain is learning skills like impulse control, emotional awareness, flexible thinking. These skills are part of executive functioning, one of the strongest predictors of long-term academic and life success. So when we say calm parents raise smarter children, we're not just talking about grades, we're talking about brains wired for resilience and learning. There's also good news here. Research summarized by the American Institute of Stress shows that positive, supportive parenting can buffer the negative effects of stress on brain development. That means calm parenting doesn't just prevent harm, it actively builds protection. Children raised in emotionally regulated environments tend to focus better, handle frustration more effectively, develop stronger language skills, and perform socially and academically better. Not because they're pressured, but because they feel safe enough to grow. So, what does this look like in real life? It looks like pausing before reacting, repairing after losing your cool, keeping routines predictable, and engaging in responsive moments, even short ones. Research consistently shows that responsive parenting is one of the strongest predictors of healthy cognitive development. It's not about doing more, it's about being present in the moments you already have. Now, a really important clarification. Calm parenting is not permissive parenting. It still includes boundaries, it still includes consequences, and it still includes discipline. The difference is how those things are delivered. Calm parenting says I can hold limits and regulate my emotions. And when parents do that, children learn something powerful, that emotions are manageable, not dangerous. Here's the takeaway. Calm parenting doesn't mean raising children who never struggle. It means raising children whose brains aren't stuck in survival mode. Because learning doesn't thrive in chaos, it thrives in safety. If you're a parent, expecting or planning to be one, remember this. Your calm isn't just a parenting preference, it's a biological advantage for your child. One pause, one breath, one regulated response at a time. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and share it with another parent who needs this reminder. And let me know in the comments, what helps you stay calm as a parent?